Ebusama ma akwaba F1 Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe. Then notification also on so that anytime I post a video, it say we are. Ebusia, earlier this year, Kevin Taylor started agenda bia. You draw the attention say agenda was starting. If we don't take it, it's going to resurrect a lot of things anchor we would have wished that we left in our past as on mine. But Kevin Taylor, one year said, he didn't listen to advice. He continued attacking a NPP stalwart. Obi to say papa. A J Kufuor. Undisputably one of the best presidents that Ghana has ever seen, produced. And I believe, sir, because of the way what's your lead your mind when Yakupo and Shirano say you should live long. In fact, this Kevin Taylor man make sure say or tries to ridicule President Kufuor's achievement. And he also saw yes idea na and say, look, idea we no. You force us also to go and look and dig a little bit into the history of Oman Ghana under Jerry John Rawlings. Now, I have been doing some digging. Some of my seniors also have been doing some digging. Now, when you dig into the history of Ghana, you would realize, say, in fact, even democracy, ever in 1992, was as a result of external pressures via institutions like IMF, any other unions, international unions, added to Oman Ghana buying so, owing to the fact, say, there was some level of poverty, mismanagement, and financial decline. This is the truth. A lot of us wish say it is buried. And you say, oh, John Rawlings there, the father of the Fourth Republic. He shifted Omino, move Omino from military rule to democracy. But you see, so long as we have people like Kevin Taylor, who keep talking in the name of NDC, more and more of such revelations are going to come up. Obi Bia a little bit old. Some of our fathers who are old will tell you, sir, from 1981 to 1992, look, the country's economy was on its knees. In fact, the military junta no try say they were going to bring price control, prevent people from charging, put levies limit and all those things. Still, now inflation was over the roof. Until all the years of NDC, PNDC to NDC, and Jerry John Rawlings, a lot of people have bad and sad memories, even in the financial sector. We've always advised our friends, say, it is better we keep some of these things under the carpet and move forward as a country. So we keep on bringing more. Let's go and listen to this superb analysis by a senior.
Went in for PAMS card program for action to mitigate social cost of adjustment. That was his last program. IMF the man. And he has no option than to go for the election. Yes, Rawlings done about so. No, a crash the economy. No, you come and tell us Rawlings is a leader. Banks. for the what they say, oh, you see here when you checking inflation data now, how do you from 1990 or maybe 85 no be far or friends saying 83 no mu na de bana now you hear the trajectory na more dem u e kwan of us run economy no obu akwenta kire wan no obu akwenta kire wan ako urade nyakopon unia go the assembly na e kana ko e be nipa buafu see omo abamu
abu
Omabamu abu na bambuo out of say the hope that they had the Mahama second term thinking say obeye bibi ba mimi no mie no die unia unia and die ni enim ni say akwa we wo mo ne homoden onya de eno na yenye free sa omo adwen na say bi wo mo anya the thinking ni bi no me group ni nipa be tu obi wo ho a sebi wo koho no ma omo fa na ono no peche bi no omo ba yi no sebi na nka bia nka onu sa position nti se obekọ akọjo no omo no sacrifice no me from ene wo die hard obi so ote ne bia na kwa ncha bia ono de ote ane se of friend say ne party awene so sacrifice no me na sacrifice do call neutrals ene wo ma no omo hihie mu thinking say ba wo mie gina ho me say ene sesi unia maestro se ajenasare epe of friends accountant Baumia being accountant Mahama being accountant of international body be anyina ho for ya hwede obepeke no some kind of kwese men no go Baumia as an accountant Mahama as an accountant omo ya wo mehihie abufu na niema bi a enkrofo bi nkrofo bi ebu om society sie no yes ya share hoso mum na ye defend the issue no to the core say ahroba no de ba ya we face them say intellectual debate is what fine we go there and na say ye boko so ne nyina obi eto adwena we go there and this is what I NDC for me to understand it other than that omo ntehwe ya say and omo group nkrofo bi omo work voices we Marcus wo dia me chebat me bo video kakra bi me bo video of Ajinasare wo dia me bo me we am Duncan William 2 videos one na ye I think say Mahama first time na no so obo mpaye dia $30 any ni o si gold board so obo mpaye dia protect we me bo Ajinasare dia me bo tie Ajinasare on PowerPoint what I say and wo yi of friend say me ma bagra kakra o yi nsuo wo Canada na o yi nsuo wo Russia and wo si agudie wum no de omo nim nyansenti no omo dwere oman ne daachi and the future generation into ye na esie so we are asking him man of God today a DNS is it worse or who the mumunti
Russia. Can you give me the Lena River in Russia? Lena is this is the Lena River.
Point no show no one not for them.
Can you give me the Yukon River in Canada?
Yeah, Yukon Subontia Canada.
So clear. It is said that these two rivers are full of huge gold deposits. Huge gold and mineral deposits. But like somebody said, because of leadership and because they are thinking of prosperity, the law and ethics, they don't allow anybody to mine in them. Meanwhile, you and I, we have no ethics for our lands. We are allowing people from everywhere to come to Ghana and look at I'm saying because we ourselves we are doing it. Because we are not thinking of the future, we are not thinking of prosperity. There are no ethics. People mind. And there are no restrictions. Can you believe that China is now planting cocoa? We used to be the people who were.
We know you in funny. We know you in funny when I saw them.
The world's leading is Malaysia. They came to
I go for more. Have to expose them.
The other day I was watching a Malaysian video. Our palm trees, they bear 2, 3 I mean, when you go, you go.
Wait, now, my main call, also for penny at rules. May call baby, Mahama baby, no bomb pie on mine. May always so you had to see you on my buanaki, see sorry down for the first time for a Christendom, entire Christianity. Our Ghana, Lenke, and Wow, and so drew me, or ye who pass at see. Me say, would you the dollar and Bible? Hey, Mahama time. We normal man, a card don't pay. A year, a nipa, many penyancy and fences, yes, no running or economy down. The year election 2013, running it down, no one can say mismanagement. We, I feel your sort of bompayama. We
need to pray for the gold ball.
Oh, no, Mamma Mo, answer about gold ball. Ha.
Then I command the city. Say, I hold
my hand.
Wow,
I hold it up.
Say, I hold up. The city to recover. And I declare the city will not fall. It will not fall. It will
that time no one pay you see not at you. At free.
Say, I command the resurrection of the city. In the name of Jesus, say, I command a miracle for the economy. I command and release a miracle for Ghana's economy. In the name of Jesus, say, Satan, take your hands off the president. Take your hands off the central bank and the finance minister. Innovation for the president. In the name of Jesus Christ, the Son of God, the finance minister, say, we command new ideas, breakthroughs.
Okay. Or no one casa. And the second time, or see good ball, or see good, yeah. With the subsequent days now. Casa Pro, Cadraman Pro.
I was told by this sheikh, and the calls I had, that they can't get the gold like before illegally, so they want some channels to the gold board so they can purchase the gold now from the gold board. It's clear to me that the gold board is dealing with a very powerful movement. People very, very established who knows and understand the field.
We as a boy recent times a month for it, but me submission is simple now. Even in Masamunsanum time, the Amiyan said when he was talking, he said he reads a lot and that he's a student of. No problem, no problem. Give it to him. Me see the ancient days, the struggle for this precious mineral gold is not today and to be for the end of the world. Master Musanum time, if he claims to be a student of history, gold, even the Ashanti history tells you say gold, and the struggle for that precious mineral started. No. The British, that is 100 years of British war with Ashantis, and it started here. It was for what? Why we were called the Gold Coast? And we have to fight them. And easy mom there. But these are many videos and everything. We need to catalog and show it to the youth coming. It's the prosperity you preaching now, some of them they are moving away from it. It's salvation equation. Where is it now? And then I'm ranting and some. So Mahama be president Nyamejia no die. Nyabone je die. Na oje na so much preaching for which nipa benya kwaje na die. Baumia be president na die. We are tired and sick of them. Kane ewiase no nimde any de wonim e na ultimate de shisha o mind. Simple. It is neither or a Muslim or whatever. Well, across the world, baby, Muslim world, when they had the oil, no more brain, some years back, and they almost sequem, almost over the share and at all. Or Mumia some credit. Now you be so warm, said Galamse and net.